Every year, millions of tons of avocados travel from Mexico to the world. But have you ever wondered how this green fruit became a global empire? Mexico produces over 30% of the world's avocados, making it the heart of production. Avocado trees don't just grow naturally. They are carefully grafted to ensure quality and high yield. Thriving in volcanic soil, mild temperatures, and consistent rainfall that the region offers perfectly. Each avocado begins as a delicate flower, and only a few survive to become fruit. The avocado industry generates billions of dollars annually, making Mexico the undisputed leader. But this success also brings challenges like water scarcity, pests, disease, and climate change. If these diseases are not controlled on time, the farm is damaged badly. For thousands of farmers, avocados are not just crops, they are livelihoods. Beautiful avocados are ready to harvest. Unlike many fruits, avocados are carefully hand-picked to prevent damage, then inspected, cleaned, and sorted before entering global markets. From farms in Mexico, they travel thousands of miles and are used in countless dishes. Fresh from the farms, premium avocados arrive at the processing facility, where each fruit is carefully inspected. The selected avocados are thoroughly washed using high-pressure water systems, removing any impurities. The smooth avocado pulp is gently collected, preserving its vibrant color and naturally creamy texture. The pulp is then blended with carefully selected ingredients, creating a perfectly balanced mixture that forms the foundation of the smoothie. To achieve a consistent and silky texture, the mixture is homogenized at high speed, ensuring smoothness in every sip. The smoothie is rapidly cooled to lock in freshness, flavor, and essential nutrients. State-of-the-art filling machines dispense the smoothie into bottles with precision, ensuring consistency and hygiene. Each bottle is securely sealed and labeled, ready to deliver freshness and quality to consumers. The finished products are carefully packaged and prepared for distribution, reaching markets around the world. From farm to bottle, every step is crafted to deliver a smoothie that is rich, refreshing, and naturally delicious. The future of avocado farming is evolving with technology and sustainable practices. From a single seed to a global industry. As the sun rises, a new day begins inside this state-of-the-art food processing facility, where thousands of fresh avocados arrive, ready to be transformed into one of the world's most loved dips, guacamole. Before processing begins, the avocados are thoroughly washed, removing dirt and impurities to meet strict food safety standards. The rich, creamy pulp is gently separated, revealing the smooth texture that makes guacamole so irresistible. Now comes the flavor. Fresh ingredients like lime, onions, tomatoes, and spices are added to create the signature taste of guacamole. Industrial mixers blend everything together, carefully controlling the texture. Whether smooth and creamy, every batch undergoes strict quality testing to ensure it meets the highest standards of taste, safety, and consistency. The finished guacamole is then packaged and sealed, preserving its freshness and flavor for consumers around the world. Each package is labeled and branded, transforming it into a product ready for store shelves. From factory to market, the journey continues as boxes are prepared and shipped to destinations worldwide. Finally, from farm to table, this delicious guacamole is ready to be enjoyed. Fresh, flavorful, from a single seed to a global industry, the story of Mexican avocados is a powerful journey of nature, dedication,